Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be using one of my favorite products, which is called Nordicseal by a company called Bona. We got an ugly piece of white oak. I say ugly just because it's got this streak right here. You got a little knot here, and it's actually already fairly light piece. And this water-based product, Bona Nordicseal. And as you can see, it's going to get it about as white as you can get it. Typically, what we do here is we put on 2 coats, but we're going to look today and see what happens with 1 coat. So stay tuned, but first I'd like to say, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please help support my channel by hitting that subscribe button. And we're going to go through some more of the products that we use here, okay? Stay tuned to the end, because I'm going to show you some different things that we have around the shop here for some different types of finishes that we have. I'm going to start out by taking it out to the palm sander. You want to make sure you give it a good shake too when you before you use it. There, make sure you got a good little cup. Pour a little bit out. And you don't need a very lot to get this done. You just need to get enough to get it onto your product. Now this is just a flooring sample, hardwood flooring sample. It's gonna look sexy as hell. Get some of the dust off of it. Now I'm trying to use like broad, even strokes so I can get it spread evenly across the board. This looks really nice too when it's done. It's not going to make the board white, just whiter. So we've got the entire board covered in this Bona Nordicseal, and I'm just going to let you know, one thing that's cool about water-based products is it's very low VOC. Product certified for low chemical emissions. Pretty cool. And that's it right there. So right now we're going to go ahead, let the sucker dry for about 2 hours and see how she looks. Now we're not going to add a sheen today, we're just going to see what this Nordicseal does. So here's something else we use. This is called Bona Naturalseal, and as you can see, it's just going to make it a little bit less white than what this guy here does with the Nordicseal. Typically, Nordicseal is going to come out looking like this. You can still see the grains. And this one, by comparison, this is Bona Naturalseal. It kind of lessens the amount of contrast between the wood grains and the actual wood color and tone itself. So here you go. This is the difference. And nope, this is not the board that we just used today. And again, Bona Naturalseal is water-based and also low VOC. Product certified for low chemical emissions. This is a beautiful product, which is also water-based, very low VOCs. It's called Hydrolaquor. So let's go look at what this does to hickory. So as you can see, this is what Hydrolaquor does to hickory. You can see how the grains, they're a little bit more defined with the Hydrolaquor compared to this board without it. Hydrolaquor also makes it a little bit darker, but it's actually just kind of an illusion. It's actually taken these little grains here and makes them darker, gives a little bit more contrast. You can see how she's coming along. Still not dry yet, but she will be dry in about 2 hours time. You can see how she's already starting to dim down the colors, make it a little bit more white. So there she is, all done, nice and dry, and it only took about 2 hours to do. Right now, we have about another hour to go before they recommend that we can sand it, start working on either another coat of Nordicseal or adding a sheen. Thank you guys for watching my video, the end product. If you guys enjoyed that video, please let me know by hitting that like button, and if you haven't done it so already, please subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be releasing new content, and it's going to be a quite interesting mix between music, different products that we use here to stain or lighten wood, seal wood, different types of sheens, what have you. So let me know in the comments section down below what's your favorite products to use when you're working with wood, including restoring old furniture or any kind of products that you use on your wood projects.